Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz in the world of Samsung, and let me tell you, it's a roller coaster ride. From unboxing leaks to emergency mode, and even a wild color rumor, Samsung is keeping us on our toes. First up, we have a unique retail experience in South Korea. Samsung is letting fans design their own Galaxy Buds 4, which is a pretty cool move. You can customize these earbuds with stickers, and it's not just for existing customers. This trend of personalizing everyday items is huge in Korea right now, and Samsung is bringing it to life. It's a small activation, but it shows how brands can tap into local trends to create engaging experiences. Personally, I love this idea because it gives consumers a chance to express their individuality. What makes this really interesting is how Samsung is bridging the online and offline worlds by bringing a social media trend into a physical retail space. But here's where things get a bit puzzling. Despite the success of the Galaxy S26, Samsung's mobile division is in emergency mode. Why? Well, memory prices have skyrocketed, and the S26 relies on high-performance memory. This price surge is hitting Samsung hard, and it's a stark reminder that even tech giants aren't immune to market forces. In my opinion, this situation highlights the delicate balance between innovation and cost management. It's a tricky tightrope to walk, especially when you're a company as massive as Samsung. Now, let's talk about that orange Galaxy S26 Ultra rumor. The Galaxy S series is a hot topic in the Android world, and this rumor was wild. It started after the iPhone 17 Pro launched with a stunning orange color. What many people don't realize is that Apple had to make some significant changes to achieve this color, like switching from titanium to aluminum. And guess what? Samsung followed suit. It's like a game of tech industry follow the leader. From chargers to materials, Samsung has been keeping a close eye on Apple's moves. This raises a deeper question: how much do these tech giants influence each other? It's a fascinating dynamic to explore. Moving on, we have the Samsung Galaxy Wide Fold. This foldable phone is rumored to have a 7.6-inch screen and a powerful Snapdragon chip. The foldable market is heating up, with Samsung, Huawei, and Chinese brands pushing the boundaries. And with Apple potentially entering the race, the competition is about to get even more intense. What I find intriguing is how quickly this technology is evolving. Just a few years ago, foldable phones seemed like a distant dream, and now we're talking about passport-style designs and powerful processors. It's a testament to the rapid pace of innovation in the smartphone industry. Lastly, we have a fun story about Samsung's collaboration with Indian YouTuber Karimanati. This popular figure is promoting the Galaxy S26 Ultra's privacy display feature in a viral ad. It's a clever move by Samsung to tap into local influencers to reach their target audience. Karimanati's roast videos have a massive following, and this partnership is a great way to showcase the phone's unique features. What this really suggests is that brands are increasingly recognizing the power of influencer marketing, especially when it comes to connecting with younger generations. So, there you have it. From customization to cost challenges, color rumors to foldable phones, and influencer collaborations, Samsung is making waves in the tech world. It's a fascinating time for technology, and I can't wait to see what unfolds next. Remember, in the ever-evolving world of tech, staying informed is key. Keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next video.